There's a phenomenon known today as the school-to-prison pipeline. Right now we don't have a good system to help youth who get into trouble keep from getting into the same trouble over and over again, ultimately leading a youth to become an adult offender. So the question that we're looking at is first offending youth in the state of Nebraska. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to form a process that will solve the problem, not only the problem based on the offense that the youth committed, but also solve a bigger societal problem, reintegrate the youth into society so that we can avoid recidivism and ultimately stop the school-to-prison pipeline. I'm currently researching the use of restorative justice practices with youth offenders in the state of Nebraska. Restorative justice looks at taking the person who committed the harm, the person who was harmed, and having them talk about what happened, how it affected them, and how we can make the situation better. The program that we have in Nebraska is a statewide program which is highly unusual across the country. Most restorative justice programs are very locality-based, city-based. We are working as a state in order to implement restorative practices involving youth throughout the country. When I was in high school, I had tried unsuccessfully to create a peer mediation program in my own high school. And now I have the opportunity to be involved in and to research these very types of programs that are actually up and running today. Nebraska law is a great place to do research because we're allowed to follow our passion and research on the things that we find important and really interesting.